What's going on, guys? It's the Income Lounge back with another video. I know I've been gone for like over half a year, but I'm finally back to the channel, going to be uploading once again. I'm doing a lot of big things now and starting a lot of new businesses, and I have a lot more income sources than I used to have. So I'm going to be making videos about most of them and helping you guys do the same thing as I, which is making a lot of money online and in real life with different business models. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to rank search on YouTube. Okay, guys, so I'm just looking through my channel right here. I'm going to show you guys some of my old examples, but this can work. This will work, not can work, will work today as well in 2019. So now that it is 2019, I'm going to be grinding and getting some viral videos out like I used to right here. This is a good one that I did, GPU mining versus ASIC mining in 2019. I just changed the title to 2019 to get more views, but it used to be 2018 when I released it. And as well as this video, which is a very viral one, which is how to mine Ethereum on Windows 10, easiest method 2019, NVIDIA and AMD. So pretty much with these videos, I'll show you guys how I rank these videos and tag them, and how you can do the same with your videos to potentially rank very high on the YouTube search. So let's go here to this video on the editor. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to continue uploading on this channel, and as well as I'm starting, I think I'm going to start about 2 or 3 niche channels. I'm not going to tell you guys what the names of the channels are so you guys don't copy my content, but I'm going to be downloading and reposting videos on those channels, posting around 8 to 10 videos per day and growing those channels just for monetization, getting those channels to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and then monetizing them and making money off Creative Commons videos, so I don't even have to make my own videos. I'm going to be making more tutorial videos about how you can do that as well, because here this is a video I created myself, of course, right? But a lot of people don't want to create videos, or or they do want to create videos, but they don't have as much time as I do, for example. So if you're stealing, well, not stealing, but if you're taking other people's videos that are Creative Commons, which is not stealing because it's Creative Commons, which means you can actually take them and repost them and monetize them legally, 100% legally, then it's going to be very quick, and you can make just as much money as if you're making your own videos. It's just going to take a little bit longer because it's going to be a little bit harder to get views on the videos since they're not original videos, but you can still get a lot of views since you're posting very often. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about how I rank this video and how to rank your videos and how to properly do tags. So the most important part, what you got to know, is the beginning of the title is what is your most important keyword. Okay, so let's go on YouTube right here. If you want to find what tags you should be using for your video, all you got to do is, right now, obviously, this is a video on mining Ethereum. So search up how to mine Ethereum, right? Okay, so how to mine Ethereum, and then you can see how to mine Ethereum on Windows 10, how to mine Ethereum 2018, how to mine Ethereum on Windows PC, how to mine Ethereum on a laptop. You see all these keywords right here, right? So these are keywords you should be using, okay? So the most popular one is how to mine Ethereum on Windows 10, which is exactly what I put in the beginning of my title, how to mine Ethereum on Windows 10, because I wanted to get the best ranked tag. This is obviously the most popular. If I just put how to mine Ethereum, it would have been a lot harder to get that rank. But how to mine Ethereum on Windows 10 has a little bit less competition, but still has lots of searches since it's one of the most popular searches for this. So as you can see, if you search this up, how to mine Ethereum on Windows 10, right here I am the 3rd video on here, which is pretty cool. You can see here the first video only has 9.4k views, a little bit more than me, and the second one has 239k. So I kind of copied this video a little bit, how I did the thumbnail and how I did the title, but I tried to do a little bit better, and it actually worked out pretty well for me, and it actually blew up moderately blew up and got 9.2k views, which is pretty good. And then someone else kind of did the same thing, got 9.4k, which is pretty good as well. So and my thumbnail is very clean. It has an Ethereum symbol in the middle here, and then the AMD on the left and NVIDIA on the right. So it shows that you can use you can mine with AMD and NVIDIA. So a lot of people are going to press on this. It's a very simple yet clean looking thumbnail, right? And I made my video very informative and very to the point. I didn't make it over 10 minutes long. These videos are over 10 minutes long. Actually, wait, they're the same length of video. Maybe they're the same. Oh, they are the same video. So this guy actually copied them. Pretty sure these are, yeah, this is the same video, guys. So this guy actually just copied him and he got 9.4k views for free. He just reposted the video, I'm pretty sure. Let's just look at this real quick. Pretty sure he just reposted the video, which is pretty crazy. Let's just look at this.
My name is Jesse Everything, and today's video is going to be an in-depth tutorial
so he just said, my name is Jesse Everything, right? Right there, Jesse Everything. So this person just copied this person outright and got 9.4k views for free, which is crazy.
My name is Jesse Everything,
and it is not monetized though, from what I can tell. So yeah, I don't know why it's not monetized, but interesting. But he does have some what's it called? He does have some links in the description for affiliate links, so he definitely still made money on this video, even if he did not monetize it. But yeah, that's interesting. He did just copy the video, but pretty much how, okay, let's get back to the tags and titles. So like I said, the most important tag, the most important thing you want to rank has to be the beginning of the title, boom. And then you can either put a line like this is what I like to do, put one of these lines, okay, because it looks really clean, and then put the second part, which is, it could be a second tag, so it could be easy. I could have made this even better, said easiest mining method 2019, but I just wrote easiest method 2019, and then with brackets. Brackets are very good for titles, NVIDIA and AMD in the bracket, so people know. And I put this little and symbol here, which looks really clean, makes the title look really good instead of writing, you know, and like this. It doesn't look as clean, you know. This looks a lot more clean and a lot better. So that's pretty much how I ranked this video. And then let's talk about the tags. So obviously the tags, you have to put, you know, your main tag, and then anything else that has to do with it if you search it up here, all of this here, how to mine Ethereum, all of these things here, almost all of these you should be putting in your tags, okay guys? So I have how to mine Ethereum on Windows 10, how to mine Ethereum on Windows PC, how to mine Ethereum on Windows, how to mine Ethereum easy, Ethereum mining tutorial 2018, So these are all very related tags, but very good, okay? So yeah, and I'm definitely ranking for a lot of these tags. I can tell you that for sure. I'm ranking for probably most of these tags. This one for sure, this one for sure, this one for sure, which is really good. And this is how I'm getting these views, and I'm going to continue getting views. Obviously, Ethereum mining is not as popular as it used to be back in 2018, but it is still relatively popular, so I'm still going to be getting views. And I have links below for some affiliate links as well. And of course, this is monetized, but my channel is not at a thousand. Sorry, guys. My channel is not at 1,000 subscribers yet, which means my videos cannot be monetized. So I'm working on that as we speak. I'm trying to work to get my channel monetized before February, which I think I can do. I'm at 743 subscribers. Need a little bit more than 250 subscribers till I get 1,000, which is pretty nice. And like I said, I'm creating also niche channels that I'm going to be uploading different videos on, reposting, that I'm not going to be making myself. I'm going to be downloading it from other channels and making money off of those channels. So I'm going to be making videos on this channel showing you guys how I'm doing that. I'm not going to expose exactly which niches I'm doing and show my exact channels, because I don't want you guys to copy, like I've said. But I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm doing it and my blueprint, okay? And I might be actually making a course on that in the future once my channels become successful, because I know about YouTube tags and search results and how to rank videos. And guys, it's all about the numbers. I swear to God, you can upload 10 videos, none of them might blow up and it might discourage you. But I swear eventually you'll get that one video that's gonna get a lot of views. If you look through my videos, a lot of them don't have many views, right? But I always get one video, one every like 10 videos gets thousands of views, right? So that's what you gotta keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. You eventually, boom, right there, 1,500 views. And it might not even blow up right away. This video right here, when I posted it, it was getting no views for the first few months, and then after, boom, it just blew up and got 1,000 views, which is pretty cool. So you gotta keep trying, keep uploading. Every like 5 to 10 videos, I get a good video that gets a few thousand views minimum, which is really good. So you gotta keep doing that, and then your channel is gonna continue to grow. Okay, right there, 9,000, and yeah, so that's what you gotta keep doing, guys. It's actually sorted by highest views. And yeah, that's what you got to keep doing if you want to get the views. You got to have like tons of content coming out all the time, uploading daily minimum, guys. And if you're doing a reposting channel, I would say upload like at least 5 videos a day just to get that momentum, okay? And don't upload them all at the same time, but schedule upload them. I'm gonna be making a separate video talking about how to make money by doing running niche channels that you re-upload content. But in this video, I'm just talking about tagging in general. It could be this tagging method works for if you're making your own videos or if you're re-uploading videos. Both ways you tag and title the videos just the same, okay? And one thing I forgot to say is also in the description of the video, write some text, write a couple paragraphs about the video that do have tags in them as well. Don't just write out the tags in the description, but write it normally as if you're writing like just some paragraphs, but include the tags in the paragraphs, as you guys can see. So like, want to start mining Ethereum on Windows 10. So I'm not just putting the tags in there, but I am just putting the tags in my sentences and making it flow normally. This is a simplified full tutorial for beginners that will teach you how to get into mining Ethereum with either an NVIDIA or AMD graphics card. And that's it. So I could have made this even better, made another paragraph talking about more about Ethereum mining and how you can make money from it, but that's what you got to do. Write a description with your tags included in it, okay? Description is very important because it's another way of making tags, because you have your tags here, but description, what you write in your description is technically tags as well, okay, guys? It's not really tags. There's tags and there's description, but description is just as important as tags, okay? Some people write nothing in the description, not good. They just do a ton of tags and don't put anything in the description. That is not a good strategy whatsoever, because you're missing out on ranks that way, okay? So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. This is how you rank your videos. Let me know in the comment section below. Actually, link some videos in the description. Link some videos in the comments of you guys using this method for tagging and titling your videos, and I'll check them out and I'll respond to your comment and tell you guys if you did title and tag and description your video correctly, and any changes I think you should make to the video so you can rank better and get more views. And yeah, so if you guys want like direct help, just comment your video link in the description, in the comment section, and I'll actually respond to you personally and help you out with your title. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.